Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mr. Shop. Looking for the best mini metal lathe machines in the markets. In this video, I listed top 5 mini metal lathe machines on 2023. In this best mini metal lathe machines review video, we will show you 5 top rated mini metal lathe machines to buy in 2023. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best mini metal lathe machines. We made this list based on our personal opinion based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, user feedback and other related issues. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Please note that the price can be changed at any time. Number 5. This is best quality products. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Available in stock. Check the description link for full product information and price. Number 4. This is best quality products. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Available in stock. Number 3. This is best quality products. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Available in stock. Number 2. This is best quality products. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Available in stock. Number 1. This is best quality products. Sold. Review. Rating. Percent off. Price. Available in stock.